back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, I'm Lorena. Today we are decorating for spring, but taking it outside this time. I'm going to be giving a spring refresh to our patio in our backyard as well as our front door area. And I am extra excited because I am partnering with Balsam Hill for today's video, and I cannot wait to show you the beautiful items that they sent me to add to our outdoor decor. So I hope that you enjoy and that you find some spring outdoor decorating ideas. I'm starting with our front door area, and I'm going to be adding my new wreath from Balsam Hill, and I'm obsessed with it. It is so beautiful. It's super lush and full, and the colors are just perfect for spring. But first, I'm just wiping down the door, which I usually do every time I switch out a wreath. I love the flowers on this wreath, and I think the colors really blend well with my indoor decor, just those soft spring colors. But they have so many options for wreaths and floral decor for the spring that I'm sure you can find any colors you love or style that match your home. I'm gonna add a small outdoor rug I found at Hobby Lobby, and I really love the colors. I think they're just perfect for spring, and I'm gonna layer it with a floral doormat that I've had for a couple years now, but it's lasted me, and I think it's just super pretty, and all those flowers look perfect for this season. I'm adding some beautiful hydrangeas to this pot. We went to Home Depot and we got tons of flowers to plant, and I'm going to be adding some to our patio in our backyard, and I'm just so excited to be bringing some life and color to our outdoor spaces. I think spring is just the perfect time to enjoy being outside and just having beautiful plants and flowers to look at. And here is the before of our backyard patio, and I'm just so excited to add some flowers and some decor and bring this space back to life and give it a really good refresh for spring. I'm starting off by just removing all of the dead flowers and then repotting some really pretty ones in these planters. I was so happy to have my husband helping, and it was actually such a nice day to be out here enjoying the pretty weather and planting our flowers. So It was a relaxing and fun activity to do, and he actually DIY'd this planter last summer, and I have a whole video on how we DIY'd the deck and this planter and just gave our backyard a makeover, so I'll link that in case you missed it. But we're just gonna plant our flowers here, and after we did this, the backyard really started to feel refreshed and alive again. I got this planter from the Target dollar spot, and it was only $5, and it's super cute. It looks like a woven material, but it's actually ceramic, so it's perfect for those potted plants, and I'm going to add it as a decor here on this little table. Moving on to the next day, I really wanted to get the patio furniture cleaned after a long winter. You can tell that it needs it, and I'm using this power washer that we got from Amazon. It is awesome. I will link it down below, and it just works great, and it's perfect to have for any outdoor cleaning that you need to do. So I am just spraying everything down, and a spring cleaning tip I have for you for cleaning your outdoor furniture is using the Dawn Power Wash and scrubbing it down with a sponge. It works really great. I just applied it directly to the furniture, scrubbed it down, and then I sprayed it down with the power washer, and all the stains came off, and everything looked super bright and fresh and ready for spring. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby. Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me? Think over kind of new way. Over kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Over kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby. It's actually pretty satisfying to use a power washer and just see all of those stains come off, and it's pretty satisfying to watch it back again. So a really good investment for us to just have for all of our outdoor cleaning. And after I'm done with the cleaning and all of the furniture dries, I'm gonna get to the decorating, and I'll show you a couple more of those Balsam Hill decor items that I'm so excited to add. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday. also wanted to show you another wreath that Balsam Hill sent me. I think I'm gonna put this one out on my front door for the summer, but I think it's so pretty. I love how it's like mostly greenery with these pops of color with the flowers, and it just gives me summer vibes. So for sure, I'll put this one out in the summer. I really love how like lush their wreaths are, so I'm excited for this one too. I can finish up with adding some decor to the patio. I got these striped pillows from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just keeping those blue ones on the other chairs. And then on this table, I'm just adding a woven tray with some decor pieces.
You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough.
This outdoor spiral box with topiary is also from Balsam Hill, and it is so beautiful and it lights up. I think it's just perfect for any outdoor area.
You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
They also sent me this beautiful magnolia wreath and a garland, and they are so pretty, and I think that they just complete the look of our space.
You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
That's everything for this spring outdoor decorate with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave a link to Balsam Hill down below in the description box if you want to check out any of their beautiful spring decor. Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you on my next one.